First, let's put some water, soap in this bowl. I need to put it a lot. Now it's better. Now we need some pepper to put it. Open, now help it open it. We put some big bowl and water in it. Now we're gonna put some black pepper. We need some more. Thank you. Now just take some soap from here. Now take some soap. Oh, it's going over there. Now let's do it again. It's a lot set. See guys. Thank you so much for watching.